How to turn on or turn off screen reader on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the screen reader option on Twitter. So first thing, go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile. Go down and click on settings and privacy. Now right here, go down again and click on accessibility, display and language. Choose the first one, accessibility, and now choose the screen reader option. You can turn it off or turn it on as you want. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching until the end and see you later. Thank you so much.